We want to acknowledge that you might be feeling confused or overwhelmed with this essay. That's okay, there are a lot of pieces to it, especially if you haven't had a lot of practice with the format, and it's even harder because we're in a virtual space. In this video, we're hoping to give you a better understanding of what we're asking you to do, why it's important, and how we want you to put all of the pieces together. First, what are we being asked to write? When we say 5-paragraph essay, this is what we mean. A 5-paragraph essay is a formal, organized piece of writing that has 5 paragraphs: the introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and the conclusion. Many of the essays that you will write over your academic career will follow some variation of this pattern. The basic 5-paragraph essay structure is extremely flexible. It can be shortened or lengthened depending on the complexity of the task. It can be used in any class or even expanded to write chapters in books. It allows you to organize your ideas and your information using a reliable, logical, and predictable pattern. And it allows you to showcase what you know. We want you, for this essay, to write a 5-paragraph essay that compares and contrasts 2 things and gives your opinion on which one is better. You have a choice. You can either compare and contrast 2 apps and say which one you like better, 2 celebrities and make an argument for who is a better role model, 2 seasons, winter, summer, fall, or spring, and which do you prefer, or online or in-person learning and what's better for kids. If you've talked with your teacher about another idea, that's fine too. We just want to make sure that you've picked a topic that you know a lot about and that you feel comfortable with. Please don't pick another topic unless you've talked to your teacher to make sure that it's okay. For example, Mrs. LaPaglia wrote her example essay about dogs and cats and which is a better pet. You are going to choose your own topic, either from these 4 choices or something else that you've come up with and had approved by your teacher. Once you've picked your topic, you'll need to brainstorm as many ideas as you can that compare and contrast the 2 things that you're writing about. The point of brainstorming is to think of lots of possible ideas to write about. You might not use all of them, but you'll definitely use some of them. Once you've come up with a lot of ideas, you'll need to put them into 3 categories. Remember the 3 body paragraphs? Each category will eventually become a body paragraph. After you have your 3 categories, you need to write 1 sentence called the thesis statement. The thesis statement isn't actually the first sentence in the essay. It comes at the end of the introductory paragraph. However, it is the most important sentence of your entire essay. It basically summarizes the entire thing and gives your reader a roadmap to understand where everything is going. That's why we want you to write it first, even though it technically won't be the first sentence of your essay. The thesis statement is made up of 4 parts: your claim, which is the main idea of your entire essay, and 3 supporting reasons for your claim. You want to keep it pretty short. It's just a preview of what will come later. Each supporting reason will be explained in more detail in your 3 body paragraphs. For example, Mrs. LaPaglia's thesis statement is, the main advantages of owning a dog are their household cleanliness, their predictability, and the health benefits they can bring to their owners. Her claim is the main advantages of owning a dog are, her first supporting reason is household cleanliness, her second supporting reason is their predictability, And her third supporting reason is the health benefits they bring to their owners. Each of these 3 supporting reasons will match her 3 body paragraphs. Next, we want you to write the topic sentences of each of your body paragraphs. Each topic sentence is kind of like a mini thesis statement. It tells your reader what that paragraph will focus on. Topic sentences usually begin with a transition word or phrase, like first, next, and finally. The topic sentence will be the first sentence of each body paragraph. Just like the thesis statement is the sentence that gives your reader the main idea for the whole essay, your topic sentences will give your reader the main idea for each body paragraph. That's why we want you to write them first. After you've written your body paragraph topic sentences, you're going to go back to the very, very beginning of the first paragraph and write your opening hook. This will be the first sentence or 2 that your audience will read, so you'll want to grab their attention right away. After the hook, you'll write what is called the frame of the introductory paragraph. This is a few sentences that help frame your ideas for your reader, what you're writing about, and why. It basically gives your reader some background information and helps them get oriented. Next, you'll finish the body paragraphs that you started before by adding details, examples, and elaboration. Your topic sentences will already be written, so you will be ready to flesh out the paragraph. Finally, you'll finish up with a concluding paragraph and then revise and edit your work. To review, the basic order that we are looking for your essay to be written in is as follows. Choose your topic, brainstorm ideas, and organize the ideas into 3 categories. Write your thesis statement, write your body paragraph topic sentences, write the introductory paragraph hook and frame, write the rest of your body paragraphs, write your conclusion, revise and edit, proofread, and turn it in. It may seem a little odd to write it out of order, but as long as you follow all of these steps, you should have a polished final product in just a few days. As always, please reach out to your teacher if you need support. It's what we're here for.